I'm Angie Gilmore, Director of Products and Programs at easihair Pro, and in this series I'll be decoding your clients' retail purchase patterns and what this means for you. So let's take a look at volumizing products and why your clients are purchasing them. They want more volume in their hair, right? So at a minimum, 25% of your clients are currently purchasing volumizing products such as shampoo, mousse, texturizing sprays, and root boost. That's 1 in 4 of the clients that are already sitting in your chair. But here's the challenge. The products don't work unless your clients do. And it takes a lot of styling and time to achieve volume using these products. And the worst part is, it only lasts from shampoo to shampoo, and they're still left frustrated and not fully satisfied with the volume of their hair. But there is a solution. When you combine the volumizing products they're already purchasing with an easihair Pro volume transformation, they can achieve sustainable volume. That's only 1 box of hair for a partial volume or 2 boxes of hair for a full volume transformation. So what does this mean for your clients and for your business? Well, your client is happier and more loyal because you gave them the hair that they've always wanted but never thought they could have. And when you help your clients achieve sustainable volume, you create a client for life. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, what's in it for me as their stylist, aside from them loving me and their luscious volume? Well, you just did a service. They'll pre-book every 6 weeks, continue to purchase the volumizing products, and increase your average service ticket, not to mention the amazing before and after pictures that you can share on social media. Simply knowing how to provide them with a sustainable solution won't solve their problem. You have to have the right conversation with your client. And it starts with a consultation so that they can be aware of the available options using easihair Pro. So, turn up the volume.